How to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. To connect it, first of all, you have to open your Phantom Wallet here. You can just do it with your Telegram Phantom account or just normal Phantom Wallet. Ensure your Phantom Wallet is installed and unlocked, which you can see here on your screen. You can use either the desktop extension, I'm using my desktop extension, or the mobile app. If you're using a mobile device, open the built-in browser in the Phantom app and search for Dexscreener. For desktop user, navigate to the Dexscreener website directly, which I've already did here. You can see you have to just go to the website, look for Dexscreener, and you will be redirected here. On Dexscreener, look for connect button. Right, so there will be a connect option in the Dexscreener. Now you have to just go and look for it and just go and click on connect. Now after that you have to just go and click on the search icon, and here you have to look for Phantom Wallet. Right, so here you have to search for Phantom and you will get it. Right now after selecting Phantom, prompt will appear asking you to authorize the connection, so just go and click on connect here. Right, so make sure, for example, I will just go and click on this one. It will open up, and then I can use this as a screener and I can use this for the trade. Right now once connected, you should see your wallet address displayed on the deck screener indicating a successful connection, which I've already did here, which you can see here on the screen. And here on the top right side corner, you can see here you will get more option, right? And then you can use it for your purposes. Thanks for watching.